It's time to get real with you guys. I should probably pour a drink for this one. We're going to talk about life insurance today. Yep, you heard me. Life insurance. I used to be in the life insurance game myself. That's how I started my career. And guess what? It was sleazy, it felt salesy, and it didn't feel good. Ultimately, I still think we did what's good for people, but life insurance is vitally important. It just isn't the everything that needs to be done. Many of you have had probably many of agents, whether it's on LinkedIn or Facebook or your friends or family, someone at some point has tried to sell you life insurance. And that was the only thing that they talked about. Life insurance, life insurance, life insurance. Well, I get it. It's one of the most important things that I think we should have, one of the best tools we have. However, there's proper ways to do it. So let's discuss those. One, misnomers, or I guess falsities that people talk about. I'm too young to have life insurance. Bullshit! You're not too young. One, when you're young, it's cheaper, right? I mean, it's like $20 a month, $10 a month for $1 million or whatever it is in term. So let's start young. It's a lot cheaper to lock that in. Plus, you never know what's gonna happen when you get older. If you have life insurance and you're locked in, I get cancer, still get life insurance. If I have cancer, probably can't get underwritten for life insurance anymore. So you gotta think through those when you're young. Second thing is I don't have anything to leave to anybody. I have no charity, I don't care, I don't have kids, blah, blah, blah. Cool, that's awesome, but you just don't know that all the way up through your life. So I try to make that decision now. What if you do want to leave it at a charity? Favorite sports team, your alma mater. Hell, who knows? Your own local police department. I don't give a shit where, but you can't make that decision now because you just don't know. So why not have that protection built in? Ability to give out to others. And the third, which I think is kind of something that people think about or need to think about more, is I don't have a need for it because I either don't have enough assets or I have too much money. Oh, that's hilarious. Both of those are falsities as well. Okay, just because you don't have assets doesn't mean you can't protect anything. And for a lot of our black and brown families, well, shit, any lower income person as well, whether that's lower class or middle low class, shit, most middle class, this is our way to trying to build our legacy when it comes to wealth, right? We're not billionaires, we're not 100 millionaires. We don't have that ability to just give generational wealth down and pass that down. The proper way we do have it is life insurance. So think about that the next time someone wants to sell you life insurance. Granted, there are a lot of different life insurance products. There's the three main ones. You've got your term insurance, which, yeah, it's like renting. You're just going to have it for a period of a term, 10, 15, 20, 30, whatever. You've got whole life, which yet you got it for your entire life. It's a fixed account. And then you have your universal lives, whether that's an IUL, index universal, or a variable VUL. Either way, starting with one of those is going to be awesome. The best one, in my opinion, is term. But Stoy, listen, I've heard it all. I've been through it. I've heard every excuse, and I've seen a lot of different strategies to build into those. Do you know that the ultra wealthy don't use it necessarily for obviously generational wealth purposes? They do it to provide tax-free income to pay their tax bill because they have so much money. They do it as a proper way to fund trusts. They do it as a proper way to create different types of income as well. Yes, it's not necessarily an investment, but it can be used in that perspective and provide income. So there's more than just you dying to get the life insurance. Hell, long-term care riders involved with those. There are a plethora of different ways to use life insurance throughout your life that is not just always tied to you dying, or not tied to, hey, I have a strategy in general. Yeah, there are tax strategies around it. There are other wealth building strategies that you need to be aware of. But just saying no or cutting it out of your budget, it's only going to hurt you, because guess what? You're probably cutting it out for some other bullshit, right? So why are we, lower income, black and brown families, etc., going out and buying a $350 pair of Jordans and just hoping that when someone of us dies, our GoFundMe can go viral enough to bring us some type of amount to at least bury somebody, let alone something else? What are we doing here? So Stoy, what the hell can I do? What are some steps for me? By the way, this is the new segment, so you should like this. But what the hell should I do, Stoy? Well, one, buy term insurance. Let's start there. As much term insurance as your budget can allow. $1 million, $2 million, $500,000, $200,000, I don't give a shit. Just $20, $50, whatever your budget can handle, get some term insurance. Second, build an actual strategy for your wealth and tie your life insurance into all of that. Third, review that periodically, preferably with your financial planner once a year. Just a selfish plug there. Number four, grow it as you grow. Maybe that's converting some of it to permanent over time. Maybe that's adding more down the line. But your strategy will help you do that, but you need a test for that later. And those 4 actionable steps are things that you can do today, right now. There's a lot of programs out there that you don't have to go get your needle stuck in your vein. You can get pretty quick underwriting done. Hell, reach out to me, reach out to anyone else in the resources, but you just got to do it. So that's what you can do. Those are your actionable steps. Bang! What happens if you die? How are your loved ones going to feel? I personally know it when my mother died and she had life insurance, and it allowed us to get out some of the debt that we were in, but also get ahead because we were able to invest down the line. And now that amount of money is going to grow 2, 3, 4, 5x over the next 10, 15 years. And then the life insurance that we have is going to double that down. I'm going to be able to start generational wealth for my family for the first time ever. And it's all due to life insurance. Get off your asses and get some fucking life insurance. Jesus Christ.